Hey guys, I'm Phaedra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, you know I cover the best in cars, travel, and entertainment, and really cool stuff, which is what I'm doing today. So if you like any of those things, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can come back for more. Now, I'm going to jump right into it. As you know from the title of this video, I am talking about a TENS massager, and I just have to say something. So I'm going to be talking about the Auvon TENS massager. I may be mispronouncing it, but Auvon reached out to me a couple months ago, and I feel really bad because they asked me if I was interested in reviewing this TENS massager. And I was like, yeah, absolutely, because I have used one before. I used to go to a chiropractor when I lived in Raleigh, who was fantastic. If you live in Raleigh and you need a good chiropractor, let me know. And I would get a chiropractic treatment, and then they would use a TENS massager on my muscles, and it was fantastic. And I never really knew that this was like an at-home thing that you could do. So when they reached out to me and asked if I was interested in checking out their TENS massager, I was like, yeah, absolutely, let's do it. So what happened? What happened was I got the massager in the mail. This is what it looks like. Not too much smaller than an iPhone. And it came with all its pieces and parts. It came with all of the pads that you would use. It came with all of the connectors. And two things happened. One, I got a little overwhelmed. And two, I thoroughly read the user manual. Now, I'm going to talk about what a TENS massager is if you're not familiar with it, but it has probably 3 pages of warnings. And I unnecessarily got scared that I was going to, electrocute myself. That's not going to happen because that's not what this machine is all about. So I'm going to explain what a TENS unit is if it's something that you're not familiar with. TENS stands for transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation. So essentially what you're doing is you're taking these pads, like you might have if you've ever been to a doctor's office and you've had an EKG, you're going to take these sticky pads, you're going to attach them to some electrical cables, some electrode cables, you're going to plug it in, and then what happens is this generates a very mild electrical current. Now that sounds kind of weird and kind of scary, but the reason it does that and the reason people use TENS machines is because that causes an overstimulation of your nerves. Now why is that good? Well, it helps with pain relief. So if you've got some nerve pain or some tight muscles and you just can't seem to get pain relief, or you're having to take more and more medication to get pain relief, this is a pain relief therapy. So you can put it on your muscles that are sore or aching, and you can turn on the electrical stimulation anywhere from 10 minutes to 90 minutes, and you can vary the intensity, and you can vary the parts of the body that you are going to use it on. The other thing that happens is when you are stimulating all these areas, you're actually getting some of your pain receptors to shut down a little bit, and you're getting your body to release more endorphins. So you get more of that natural pain relief from this. The other thing that you can use it for, it's called a TENS EMS device. And the EMS means electrical muscle stimulation. And so you can use this if you are, really into working out or weight training or strength training, muscle building, that sort of thing. And what that will do is it will help electrically stimulate your muscles, whether it's to rehab the muscles. Yes, I was trying to show you. I've got a muscle, a little bit of one, whether you're trying to rehab your muscle or you're just trying to stimulate them and stimulate the growth of the muscles. I'm not going to talk about that because clearly I'm not a bodybuilder, but I'm going to show you exactly how this works and talk to you about why it's really cool. So here's how the package arrives. The Auvon TENS massager, and because it is a healthcare device, it is sealed, so you make sure that it hasn't been returned or anything like that. It's going to come with a user manual. I recommend you read that. I'll talk about some of the highlights for that. And then for this particular model that I'm using, this has 4 different channels that you can connect to up here. And what that means is you can actually stimulate 4 different parts of the body at the same time. A lot of other units only have 1 or 2, so you would have to do 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there. This allows you to do up to 4 different areas at the same time. And so this is the device itself. I'm going to show you that in a second. These are the pads that come with it. So it's got larger pads for your larger muscle groups, like maybe your thighs, if you want to use your thighs. And then it's got these smaller pads right here. And I'm going to show you these pads right now. So this is what it looks like. This is what the pad looks like. And it's got these connections at the end, and I'm going to show you how you use those connections. But it's got, they're sticky. You see, very sticky. So, oops, yep, very sticky. So you're going to peel this off and you're going to place it on your skin, but you're going to want to save this backing, because you can reuse this pad, they say up to 45 times. So that gel will eventually give out, but you can use it for quite a bit. And so what you're going to do is you're going to stick 2 pads. You always want to use 2 because you're trying to create an electrical connection on your skin. So you're going to use 2 pads and you are going to connect them with these wires to your device. And this piece right here, I think, gives you a place to put the sticky pads while you're transferring it from one part of your body to another. So we're going to take a single cable and we're going to attach it to both electrodes. And at this point, I would peel them off and place them on the different parts of the body that you want to stimulate. These 2 are part of one single connector, and you're going to plug that in to one of the channels at the top. In this case, we'll plug it into the first channel. Before you get started, I should have mentioned that this is a wireless device, so you're going to want to charge it. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge. It comes with a charging cord. Once it's ready to go, then you unplug it, you get everything set up, you press the button and turn it on. Okay, but I'm not going to just tell you about this. I'm going to show you. You ready? You ready? See if you can see this. Can you see my back? Can you see it? How about here? Can you see it? So I tend to get some nerve pinching right here in between my shoulders. Drives me crazy. Massage helps, but it really is a nerve pain. So I have basically taken these 2 pads and I've put them close to each other on my shoulders. They are not touching. You don't want them touching. And you can have them a little ways apart. In fact, they show you some recommended ways to apply the pads to your body. So this is where I typically have had it, and they don't have to be right next to each other. You can have one here, one down by your shoulder blade if you're just working on one particular side. But I need some stimulation, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to plug her in. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, I'm all powered up, and I'm going to show you how you kind of run through this. So we've got this M button right here. And the M button is going to scroll through all these different programs. You can't see that with the glare. All these different programs for different areas of your body. And then once you get down here, it switches to EMS and you'll see the little symbols for a weightlifter or a runner. We're not going to worry about that. I'm actually not that concerned about the program because I already tried this earlier. With this button, it switches from the A outlet to the B outlet, and that's referring to the different outlets up here. A1, A2, the different channels. A1, A2, B1, B2. All right, so I am plugged into A1, and all I have to do is indicate how much time I want. If you look up here, it's changing. And I'm just going to set it for 10 minutes. And then the last thing I do are these plus or minus buttons here. This is the level of intensity. I click it once, and I can feel it mainly on my left side. I click it again, and I can feel it on both sides. I click it again, and what does it feel like? It feels like a slight electrical pulse. So I'm up to 3. Oh, I'm going to go to 4, and I'm going to stop there. So you'll find, whoa, no, I'm going to take it down. I'm going to take it down to 3. I'm kind of wimpy when it comes to this stuff. My husband has used this before and pretty much could max it out. I guess he doesn't mind it. So while this is going, I'm going to tell you a couple extra things that you need to know about this. First of all, I'm not a doctor, and nothing I'm saying should constitute medical advice. But you don't want to use this if you are pregnant. You don't want to use it on kids. Don't use it on pets. You know, just like common sense stuff. That's why I'm encouraging you to read this book. They say don't ever put it on your head, your neck. This can mess with your blood pressure. I would say any of the soft parts of your body, anywhere where your internal organs are, anything near your heart, which uses electrical stimulation, stay away from that. Just really anywhere on your body where you think electrical impulses could mess with something internally. I know that sounds scary, and that's why it took me so long to actually use this, but I'm telling you already, and you can't see anything that's going on, it's just providing a gentle stimulation to the skin surface right below the pad. And that gel is important because that's what's going to help provide that layer of protection against your skin. So I'm going to let that run for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to clean up. Okay, 10 minutes is up, and the device automatically shut off. So we are going to unplug and unpeel. Peels right off the skin with no residue, and I am going to stick it on this device right here. Okay, so here we are. I am unhooked, I am untethered. To store them, you would simply put it back on the backing that came with these pads. Put it back in the baggie that they came in because you want to keep the gel from drying out. Like I said, you get up to 45 uses with this. I'm kind of excited because like I said, I get nerve pain specifically back here, and after 10 minutes, I'm feeling pretty good. So if you have any questions, I'm happy to see if I can answer it. I do have a link below. It's my affiliate link. If you're interested in a TENS machine, I would love it if you check out my affiliate link. But I also like to do this because not only do I like the product, but sometimes when you're ordering from places like Amazon and it's made in China, no offense, but sometimes you do worry about the quality of it. And I can attest to the quality of this device. It is top-notch. I love the packaging. I love the way that it came, and I feel great. So thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you next time.